turns out that the Earth is singing the whole time. And we know this because NASA's picked up these very faint radio waves thousands of miles beyond the stratosphere, which are produced as a result of electrical activity, so things like lightning strikes. So just listen to this. It's mad, isn't it? It's just so beautiful.
It really is as if Gaia's speaking to us. Less inspiring to listen to is the sound of pollution.
So a group of researchers have been tracking pollution in two places, in a vehicle tunnel and in the Amazon. So this is the sound of pollution in a road tunnel.
That faint drone is the sound of particles of pollution. And if you listen a little closer, you can now hear the sound of pollution seeping its way far off into the Amazon rainforest. This ecosystem is the idea of Gaia in action. The rainforest doesn't just support the local community, it's crucial to the balance of the whole climate of planet Earth. Rainforests store half of the world's water, like a giant sponge. The trees draw water from the forest floor and release it back into the atmosphere. 200 billion tonnes a day. That's the equivalent of 1 million Leaning Towers of Pisa. Mists and clouds recycle the water as rain, feeding rivers and lakes up to 3,000 miles away. The trees lock up 4.4 billion tonnes of CO2. But burning the rainforest's trees releases almost double that amount of carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere, upsetting the planet's equilibrium, rocketing greenhouse gases, contributing to increasing temperatures, stronger storms, more severe droughts, and rising sea levels across the world.